Hello everyone, my name is Fani Rahmasari. Today I am going to present my consonant analysis project focused on minimal pairs that represent contrasting consonants in both the initial and final position in English. Let's begin. The first pair is P and B. P is a voiceless bilabial plosive. B is a voiced bilabial plosive. Example: initial pad versus bed, final mob versus mob. Next, we have F and V. F is a voiceless labiodental fricative. V is a voiced labiodental fricative. Example: initial fine versus vine, final proof versus prof. Now let's look at S and Z. S is a voiceless alveolar fricative. Z is a voiced alveolar fricative. Example: initial zip versus zip, final ice versus ice. Next is J and J. J is a voiceless postalveolar affricate. J is a voiced postalveolar affricate. Example: initial chair versus jail, final ridge versus ridge. Now we have G and G. G is a voiceless velar plosive. G is a voiced velar plosive. Example: initial cord versus gourd, final deck versus dick. Let's move to T and D. T is a voiceless dental fricative. D is a voiced dental fricative. Example: initial is thing versus this, final bed versus bed. Next is T and D. T is a voiceless alveolar plosive. D is a voiced alveolar plosive. Examples: initial team versus dim, final bid versus bid. Now let's examine Sh and J. Sh is a voiceless postalveolar fricative. J is a voiced postalveolar fricative. Example: initial shock versus genre, final push versus beige. Finally, we have L and R. L is a voiced alveolar lateral approximant. R is a voiced alveolar approximant. Examples: initial light versus right, final feel versus fear. Next, I'm going to present some minimal pairs that represent contrasting consonants in both initial and final positions using tongue twister. I also explain their voicing place and manner of articulation. Let's begin. Tongue twister 1. Let's start with the sounds K and G. K is pronounced like kin, ku, and kur. It is a voiceless velar plosive sound. G is pronounced like g, good. It is a voice velar plosive sound. Say it with me. Cook good cookies. Tongue twister to ch and jo. Next we have ch is pronounced as liking, charming, and cheerfully. It is a voiceless post-alveolar affricate. J is pronounced like in judge and joke. It is a voice post-alveolar affricate. Try this one. Charming, children, cheerfully, chase, judge, joking. Tongue twister 3. Now we have us is pronounced as ash, like in chili and song. It is a voiceless alveolar fricative. Next is pronounced like in zebras. It is a voice alveolar fricative. Ush is pronounced like share and shoes. It is a voiceless post-alveolar fricative. Let's cite this one together. Silly zebras sang and short shiny shoes. That's all for today's presentation on contrasting consonants in tongue twister. Practice slowly, then increase your speed. Thank you for watching.